Creating a YouTube AI video using a script generated by ChatGPT and visualizing it with InVideo.io is an innovative and efficient way to produce content. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. Step 1. Log into ChatGPT. Go to OpenAI's platform or your preferred platform and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, initiate a conversation with the AI. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT to write a script. Start by giving the AI a brief about the topic you'd like to cover in your video. Ask the AI to produce a script and review the generated script, making any necessary modifications. Step 3. Sign up or log in to InVideo.io. Go to InVideo.io's website and either sign up or log in if you already have an account. Step 4. Select the Create AI Video option. On the InVideo dashboard or main page, look for the Create AI Video option and click on it. Step 5. Select Script to Video in the drop-down menu. Once in the Create AI Video section, find the drop-down or option list and select Script to Video. Step 6. Paste the script from ChatGPT. Copy the script you obtained from ChatGPT and paste it into the script input area or text box in InVideo.io. Step 7. Customize your video. InVideo's AI will start suggesting scenes based on the content of your script. Review these suggestions and make any desired changes to the visuals, music, voiceover, or animations. Customize the video's design, transitions, and other settings to match your brand or desired aesthetic. Step 8. Export or change settings. Once you're satisfied with your video, click on the Export or Produce button to render the video. If you need to change any export settings such as resolution or file format, do so before initiating the export. Step 9. Upload to YouTube. After your video is exported, log into your YouTube account. Click on the camera icon or Create button on the top right. Select Upload Video and drag and drop or browse for your exported video file. Fill out the necessary video details, add a thumbnail, and choose the desired settings. Finally, click on Publish to make your AI-generated video live. Remember to add your personal touch to ensure the content resonates with your audience and maintains authenticity. Make the background music motivational. Use a male, clear American voice.